Hi, I'm Haley,
Hello, I'm Chenyan.
and welcome to Season 5 of Henry News Hour.
All right, y'all. So it's Tate Astro finna go outside and just go see everybody's fit checks, see how everybody rocking and how comfortable it is in their fits. All right, today I'm here with
Rashad.
You said what?
Rashad.
Bro, just explain everything that's from head to toe and how much it costs.
I got you. I got a discount on that, like 20.
Okay.
My hoodie was 30.
Okay.
And then the shirt, I got a little Walmart shirt, $10. My jeans, I got these from the mall, these 60.
Okay.
My shoes, 200.
All right, bro. So basically, bro, I don't know what's wrong with people at this school, but they just really have a custom problem. So we just gonna tell Conover to edit that out. You got it. You want to do a fit check? Fit check. Fit check. Fit check. Fit check. Fit check. Hurry up and do this. Check, man. Just explain how much everything costs head to toe.
And that shirt was probably like $15.
Okay.
Little Under Armour shirt. Same with the pants. I think it was like $20. These Crocs was $65.
And then how comfortable you feel in the fit with scale to 1 to 10?
Man, 20, man. I just came on a chill fit, man.
You know what I'm saying? Probably got one of the best fits in the school. I ain't gonna lie. He got the best kicks in here. I ain't gonna cow. We just gonna... Excuse me, Mr. Marcus here? All right, today I'm here with...
This is Mr. Zachary.
All right, Mr. Zachary, can you explain your fit check head to toe, how much it costs?
Fit check. Man, I probably got like a $20 hoodie on. Probably $30 American Eagle jeans. Jordan 1s, $110 or something like that.
Okay, on the scale from 1 to 10, how comfortable do you feel in this fit?
About a 10. It's slight work.
Okay, that's what I'm talking about. Okay, we got to get Ms. Roca out here. Ms. Roca?
Fit check.
Okay, I'm here with...
Miss Roca, what's up?
Okay, today we're going to be doing a fit check. Just explain everything head to toe, how much it costs.
Okay, the shirts, I think like $20. Jeans are maybe 70, 75, and then I got my Doc Martens on.
Look, get the camera on there. That's a little taste of Henry, man. Y'all know what's going on, man. We about to go back to Conover class, though. We might hit Conover with a fit check whole time. I don't know.
Hi, my name is Mushtaq, and I'm here with the football boys. How do you guys feel about the rest of the season?
I feel good about the rest of the season. We've been working hard, practicing, and I think we could go undefeated this season.
I feel like if we keep doing what we're doing at practice, we can keep winning games and keep our win streak.
What has changed since the last season?
A lot. Considering last season we lost every game, so now being 2-0 is it's crazy, and we got a lot better, and yeah.
I say our off season changed. We actually doing workouts and trying to stay in shape for the summer for our summer program.
How do you guys prepare for games?
Practice, mostly practice, working hard, keeping our minds in check, and just doing what we gotta do.
We prepare for games by doing what we need to do up in school and on the field, staying locked in before the games and days before the games, so we could be ready to win.
Okay. Thank you, guys.